List of responsibilities of property management. Welcome to Real Estate TV. I'm Adnan Jalo. Are you ready to hire a property manager or manage your property? Then luckily you're in the right video, because I'll be discussing about the responsibilities of a property manager that he or she must carry out in order for the property to be top notch. It is recommended to hire a property management company when it comes to property management, so that you will have time to search for and examine the next investment property. Now, what are the responsibilities of a property management company? The responsibilities of a property manager can be categorized as follows. 1. Resolving daily issues. The primary duty of a property manager is to implement your property strategy, followed by problem solving. This is what your property management company should do every day. Even though their job title is my property manager, they should actually be problem solvers. Because the truth of the business is that you are problem solving much more than you are managing, especially when you first take over the property. 2. Handling staffing issues. Property managers are also responsible for staffing issues. If you require an on-site leasing agent, the property management business will have trained, competent staff available to assist you. If you're performing the tax personally, either you or an employee will do so. That implies you will be responsible for training and providing the individual you hire with all the necessary information, skills, tools for success. 3. Leasing the real estate. It is the responsibility of the property manager to do the necessary advertising to maintain 100% occupancy or as close as possible. This requires understanding which advertising vehicle produce results and creating effective promos and promotional messages. This could include advertisements, signs agreement with local apartment finder services, or the establishment of a resident referral program. Professional property management business are aware of what is effective and what is not. 4. Increasing the cash flow. It is the responsibility of the property management to boost the cash flow of the property. If you're managing the property on your own, you should be informed of the local housing market. Before increasing your rent, take the time to check the local newspaper, drive by competitors, and contact the nearby properties so you can understand the market. Simply contact and inquire about the rental price, square footage, required deposit, and what is included in the rent. 5. Legal and contracts. As soon as you enter the rental property business, you will discover that the majority of states have numerous regulations governing the operations of apartments, big or small. A professional management company is aware of these regulations and has the necessary documents in place for residents and property owners to fill prior to leasing. You will need a limited liability company such as an LCC to protect your assets. 6. Maintenance. The property manager is responsible for maintaining the landscaping, painting the apartments and buildings, ensuring that all the appliances within the rental unit are in excellent working condition. All of this routine maintenance is what makes an apartment building look like a nice place to live, depending on how well it is performed. When it comes to maintenance, it's all in the details. 7. Rent collection. Depending on the precedents you establish with your tenants, rent collecting might be a simple or extremely difficult task. You should stick to the letter of the law and make no exceptions for rent payers. In this business, one must be tough. Consider that every exception you make establish a precedent. 8. Paying the bills. You might believe you are in the accounting business if you own rental property. There are numerous accounting responsibilities involved with property management. In addition to collecting and depositing rent into the bank account, property managers are also responsible for timely payment of all bills. 9. Managing the budget. In addition to collecting rent and paying bills, the property manager is responsible for managing the property's running budget. Consequently, all expenses and rental income must be recorded and all compared to the operational budget. Excellent if they come in lower, but if their prices are greater, you will want to know why. 10. Eviction. The good news is that evictions do not have to be stressful for you as a landlord. There are numerous causes for eviction, including non-payment of rent. You have every right to do so. Never avoid the inevitable when it comes to evicting tenants, regardless of how unpleasant it is under normal circumstances. Ensure that you are aware of your right and the rights of the resident before you attempt to perform on your own. Before beginning this process, you may wish to contact with your attorney if you manage your own property. 11. Customer service. Being available to residents is a crucial aspect of maintaining property. Residents must know that they can contact you with a problem or an emergency at any time of the day, and their request will be handled in a timely manner. This is not an unreasonable request. After all, if they wanted to handle their own maintenance problems, they would own a property. This 24/7 customer service is incorporated into a professional property management contract. If you manage a property yourself, you're responsible for providing it. So these 11 services are the key responsibilities of a property management. Also, understand that poor property management is a significant factor in the property's underperformance or decreased value. So make sure you do it right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided some valuable information. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.